What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Metro Gun Challenge. Cypher Fox here with Holy Roller Games. We
Are you
are
ready?
pretty close to the ending here, as you can see, I'm sure. Here goes nothing.
So, how are we faring? Wallman, is everything ready?
The firewood's done.
Vladimir,
The gear is ready.
you guys,
Ready.
saddle up then. По коням.
Nobody said anything about horses. Hold on. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Ooh, I can go past them.
It's the old church dungeon.
Church dungeon. Why did the church have a dungeon? This is crazy. Oh, it's a metro. It's not a dungeon. I guess they turned the dungeon into a metro. Okay.
Dark tunnel, wheel rattle, and the smell of death. That's how our journey to D6 began. But our goal seemed closer now.
Remember, guys, this is my first playthrough, and
According to the map, there are
Use it
several
as
ways of
only.
reaching D6. Now the closest one is through the facilities near Kievskia. Okay, we tried that route.
Kievsky? I've heard strange things about that station.
There was an explosion in the tunnel, and lots of people were buried alive. A rumor has it they survived, but no longer resemble humans. Also say something strange has been sighted in those tunnels. Fog.
Bullshit, probably. Of course it is. Who'd believe it? Vladimir lost all his family in the tunnels. And he doesn't remember anything but what happened.
good night. He's just tired. He's just tired, guys.
Artyom! Artyom! Artyom!
Wow, that's loud.
Wake up, Artyom, wake up! Great, he's coming to.
Put the light away, you're blinding him. Artyom, are you okay? Can you stand up?
Here?
Artyom, who is that?
We're arriving. There's an airlock here.
Great, stop here.
Hell. This place gives me the creeps.
Boris, take a look at the game.
The control unit is broken to smithereens. All the lines are cut.
Vlad, get your tools ready, we need this door open. Artyom, you stay here and cover our backs. We don't need surprises here.
Sure, I didn't think we're going too smoothly.
Oh man, is this another like I have to use the gun?
Vladimir, find the first block chart. Olman, look here. First we connect the wires, then on my mark we throw the switches.
Let me see.
Something's out there.
Okay, so I don't have to use it.
It's closing in.
Maybe.
Ignore it.
We'll reload that. I could have done that better.
Something's out there.
Now that I know what's going on. Yeah, gonna reload that too.
Something's out there.
Something's closing in.
Something closing in. Headshot, headshot. Let's go. Ooh, I don't care that went that bullet. I don't care. Oh my god.
Something's out there.
Something's closing in.
Alright, nothing but headshots, nothing but headshots. Here we go. Man, I really just want to get nothing but headshots of this because I feel like it's the best course of action.
Closing in.
If you say that again,
It's closing in!
Shit, we missed one!
Hurry up! The anomaly is really close now! Damn you!
ow, the pistol bullets.
Hurry up, we're fucking dead!
I'm sorry, guys. I've got to try to get nothing but headshots here.
Something's out there.
Something's closing in.
If I get nothing but headshots, I'll have at least a clip or two left. Alright, here we go. Skill based. Let's go. Nope. Fucking that glitch threw me off.
Something's closing in.
Ignore it!
The Nasalysis!
Fire!
Where's that ammo?
Something's out there.
Something's
Alright, I'm just gonna go through. I'm just gonna beat it this time. If I don't get the headshots, I don't get the headshots. My fear is just making it past this and having no ammo. I think this will be the last station we come to. No, I'm sorry. I can't. I will settle for nothing less than perfection.
Ignore it!
The Nasalysis!
Fire!
Something's out there.
Something's closing in.
Wonder if I could knife him.
Looks like the anomaly is...
Let's go. Let's go.
It's closing in!
Let's go.
Shit, we missed one! Hurry up! The anomaly is really close now! Damn you!
Just had to focus.
Hurry up or we're fucking dead! That's it! The gate's open! React, it won't start! Come on, guys! Let's get out of here!
Let's go. Where was the anomaly when he was getting fucked by those alien things? Made it with plenty of ammo.
I wouldn't want to be there now.
19 bullets.
Okay, let's get ourselves together. There's a long road ahead. Okay, guys, this is the door.
Oh, look, a crate.
Okay, go for it.
The chaos of the tunnel was locked away behind the
dungeon.
airlock gates. They seemed invulnerable. And at that moment, so did my comrades.
All right, we've broken through. Let's do this fast and smooth. Olman, you're in charge of the assault team. Boris and Stepan, you cover the comedian. Artyom, Vladimir, stay close to me. Okay,
Yes, sir.
rебята, let's do it.
Hey, where's the hurry, Colonel?
Right after I search for stuff.
We're way too nervous.
It's no rest for the wicked, as you know. Forward, my soldiers, great deeds await.
Great team. Somehow I'm not too enthusiastic about leaving my mark in history.
Oh man, I didn't see which way they went. Okay, they went that way. I'm gonna go this way.
Hey, how about we take it as a memento?
Olman, enough with the jokes, Blin. When you're back at the base, you'll be sweeping tunnels with a toothbrush.
Yes, my marshal. As you say, my general.
Here's the first challenge. Artyom, flip those breakers.
Now that's a funny looking thing.
Speedy, it's broken.
Damn. Ooh, shiny button. That I can't press? Alright, I quit this game. No, I'm just playing.
Artyom, take a look at that room.
What room? What room? This one? Alright, let's go.
Well done, Matthew. You just earned yourself a medal.
Ooh, metal.
Oh, no, I ain't going. It's dark and scary there.
That's subordination, soldier. Get your ass in there.
Shit!
What's your language, soldier?
It's not language, it's shit. Literally, I stepped in it.
Well, that's a great sign.
It's not a sign, it's an omen. If there is shit, then something lifted you. Look here, offense is the best defense. Vladimir, stay with Artyom. You both, stay back. Okay, let's go.
Oh, Carla, I can't fight in such an environment. It stinks so much, I lost the sense of smell.
Oldman, I wish you
Cool stuff.
clean.
Here they are! Oh, the sweet!
Ah.
A glass of moonshine for each Nosales. How about that, Colonel?
To hell with you, blin. Another comedian. Stop laughing, blin.
Alright, we got a checkpoint. To your right. I'm not fighting. Fuck. Kind of wondering if this guy had Medikit. Looks like it, but it looks like it. Yes, I wanted to make it. Glad I came back to that. Come on, guys, let's go.
Forward! For the murder! For dying of old age!
Yeah.
We're gonna make it.
I definitely killed enough of you. You guys can take the last few out. I hope. We good? Alright, we good. I'm not gonna mess with that one.
Looks like we're through. Take a look what's behind the door.
9 bullets left. I gotta look for ammo, guys. Before we go further, I just gotta check. I don't think I'm gonna find any. Let's go. It's fine. It's fine. There'll be more ammo. There has to be. No! Shoot it! Shoot it! Oh! Oh! Shoot it! Oh! Wow.
Boris! My friend, why?
Seriously, we probably could have helped you.
Stepan, that's enough. You can help him, Stepan. Let's go. What suki? Boris, I swear on your memory, they won't arrest while I'm alive. The goddamn beasts.
Okay, there's a pumping station ahead and a sewage pool. We'll need to open the door.
Give me a couple minutes.
Okay, go for it.
Just a little more.
Get that door open. Maybe this is the end of the level.
It's open.
Gas masks on.
Alright.
Foreman, check the pool. I always get the most interesting jobs, don't I?
Full health. Cool. You know, I haven't really used my night vision goggles this entire game. I definitely should have.
I'll check it out.
Careful, man. Careful.
Russian ink caps.
What do we do next?
Nothing. There's a passage down there.
For all you Metal Gear Solid fans.
Let's move quietly.
What was that? What is that? Oh! I'm definitely just running around. I only got 9 bullets left. I can't. Oh, shit. Shit. Kill that son of a bitch. Hey, there's something. Hey, I got a checkpoint, that's good. I could have swore there was another medkit somewhere. I'm going backwards a little bit. Can't go back. Wow. Okay. Well, I gotta go back, so. I've got 5 medkits. Man, that's some bullshit, bro. I got stuck on, like... Got stuck on a ledge. Turn my flashlight off. Let's go! Yeah, I'm jumping over that ledge now. Now what? Now what, shawty? Oh! Medical! Ugh. Come on! Ugh. Come on, baby. This is the one. This is it. Yes.
Get out of here! Go!
For real. Let's go.
Move! Don't stop!
Okay. I ain't stopping. I got 3 med kits and 9 bullets still. We good. Get that door open.
This is the door leading to D6!
Let's go.
Are we there? Looks like it. Ah, short! It's locked! I'm not surprised. What's up with that? It looks like a blast door. Okay, go for it. Got it! Artyom, take a look at that room.
Oh no. Hell no. Now what?
John, are you okay? Great, we'll try to reach you. Meanwhile, look for an exit. Good luck.
What the heck? Did that help? A little bit. Put that shit away. Oh my gosh. Alright.
Are you okay?
Now we're fighting
We'll try
scorpions.
to reach you. Meanwhile, look for an exit. Good luck.
I'm trying to run. I'm out of ammo. Try stabbing to death, but I don't know. Oh, quit dodging my shit. Take that. I'm not gonna jump through there and get a checkpoint like this, because maybe I could just get a checkpoint. Here we go. That's the correct way. That's the correct way.
Are you okay? Great, we'll try to reach you. Meanwhile, look for an exit. Good luck.
Wow.
Are you okay? Great, we'll try to reach you. Meanwhile, look for an exit.
Alright, one more time, then I'm gonna end the video until next time. I'm trying to just run. Crap. Crap. Yes. Go down. Go down. Oh, for God's sake, go down. Whew. Okay. Oh, man. Come on. Run. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. Come back to see what happens next time on the Metro Chronicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. Okay, thanks.